In front of me is INFINIX Note 60, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling to click on App Management. Then hit Default Apps here and select one of those sections you wanna manage. In my case, Browser app. Now tap on an app you wanna apply as your new one. And when you finished, go back. Your changes will be automatically applied. So as you can see, when I tap on the back button, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!